Hello everybody, I'm Divya Sagar from the Citrix Ready team and I'm the marketing manager of the Citrix Ready program. Welcome to the Citrix Ready PartnerSpeak series. Today I have with me Florian Becker. He is the Senior Director of Strategic Alliances at LakeSide Software. LakeSide Software is a long-time Citrix Ready partner and I'm happy to have Florian here at Citrix Synergy today with me. Hey Florian, so would you like to quickly introduce and tell us something about your company and your product?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me. So, LakeSide Software has actually been around for about 18 years now, really primarily focused on the Citrix universe, and that's really how we got our first start out here. Today we're basically an end-user experience success platform, if you want to talk about it that way. So that basically means that we have agent technology out there that collects a lot of data from the end-user environment, including Citrix, XenApp, XenDesktop, even physical desktops basically, across the entire end-user estate. And what we do is we collect a lot of data, have an analytics platform that basically brings it up and really allows customers and IT to manage and monitor that end user experience very, very proactively and really define and measure end user success, and that's what it's all about.
Great, and how does it integrate with our Citrix technologies? Can you explain a little around that?
Well, how much time do you have? we have a number of different integration points. Obviously, we're a Citrix Ready partner in the XenApp and XenDesktop world, all the way, in the older IMA infrastructure as well as in FMA and up to 7.6. So we have a number of the Citrix APIs that our agent is actually calling and where we're collecting data from. And then more importantly, we actually built and we released probably in the last year and a half or so a dashboarding capability where we not only visualize the data that we collect from a system, but we can also integrate with other databases. And one of the things that has been really successful for us in the Citrix world and here at Synergy is the integration with the Citrix Director and LakeSide databases. So we can actually grab data out of that, correlate it with what we actually collect directly, and customers can correlate this with other data as well that they get from other sources and really create that single pane of glass of visibility in their environment.
That sounds perfect. So what's new in terms of the product lineup? Anything interesting that you would like to share?
Yeah, so we are just actually shipping now version 7.2 that we're introducing this week, and has a number of really interesting new things in there. One of them is that concept of, for example, what we call the Citrix kits, because we create a lot of content, a lot of report templates, a lot of analytical templates that customers could so far either get directly from us or download kind of piece by piece from our web services basically. And today that is all integrated in a kit framework. So you can have a Citrix success kit, if you will, or a kit for another use case that has a number of different reports and templates basically out there. We download as one and then they're ready to use in the environment right away.
That sounds exciting. Awesome. So you've been a long-time Citrix Ready partner and your product is listed on the Citrix Ready marketplace, and I'm sure it's giving some extra visibility to your product. But how else are you engaging with the Citrix Ready program, and how are you benefit with this program?
So I think there's a couple of things. Obviously for us as an independent software vendor, really the Citrix Ready participation is just great because it opens a conversation with customers, right? And on top of this, we're very well integrated with the Citrix field itself and the Citrix community at large, and it's really important to have that presence with Citrix Ready and have content out there that customers and partners and resellers and even the Citrix fields can download and access. And obviously we've been very ingrained with the Citrix consulting community has been using our products and their services offering for quite some time now. And all these things taken together really give us the visibility and the access and the customer conversations that we're obviously looking for.
That's great to know. And what's your vision like in terms of how do you plan to engage with Citrix all the more in the coming quarters and the next year and so on?
So more of the same, except better and bigger. That's obviously the theme, basically. So we feel we are very, very well connected with Citrix, and we're expanding our footprint into newer markets as well. We have a lot of activity in Europe right now that we're building out, in the Asia Pacific market as well. And being part of the Citrix community and Citrix Ready obviously helps us open door there and opens the conversation as well.
Great. Citrix Ready is pleased to support these engagements. And if you'd like to know more about LakeSide Software and its products, do visit the Citrix Ready marketplace and read about the product lineup. So this is Florian and Divya signing off from Citrix Synergy today. Thank you for watching the Citrix Ready PartnerSpeak series.